Welcome back everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, got a quick little video lined up for you. We're going to be going over the Ryobi 6-port Super Charger. Now, I really like this charger. I've been eyeballing it for a while and I finally got my hands on it. So as you can see, you can charge 6 batteries at once, but it doesn't do them all at the same time. It's a sequential charger, so it'll start with 1 port, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So as you can see now, it's working on this one. These ones are all charged. What's nice about this charger, it says rapid charger up to 30 minutes, or as quick as 30 minutes, but they're talking about a 1.5, not a 6 or a 4 or a 3. Also, on the side, it has a 2 amp output, so it's the fast charger. Charge your phone. Where's the little... It does work. I did unplug it and see if it would continue to charge, and it doesn't, which I really wish it would have, because that would have been slick. So like it kind of runs off your batteries, but that's too much to ask for. This is model P135. Give a couple stats over this real quick. Charges 6 batteries. Comes with a 6-foot cable. It weighs 4.05 pounds. What else? Oh, it also maintains your batteries, which is really nice. It has an energy save mode, which conserves energy when not charging or maintains batteries. It protects the battery cells and maximizes battery life. It says it's an innovative design. You can mount it on a wall, which I also like. It does have 2 slots right there, keyhole mounts. And this will charge any of the 18 ONE+ batteries from the knockoffs up to, this is my 9, up to the 9 and down to my oldest 1.5, which is from 2000, so this one says 18, but I think this one's from 2016. Yeah, that's my old one. So it charges all of them, keep it plugged in and maintains them. It also will let you know if it's too hot or too cold. It does have a temperature breakdown on the side, and the LEDs will flash corresponding with the temperature of the battery. My favorite thing is that it's just slick. You need your batteries, you slap them all on here, and you bring it with you. You know, it's pretty slick just to hang on to it like this and carry it to the job site, throw it in the back of your truck, you're on the go, bam. Now you got 6 batteries with you, locked and loaded and ready to go. With the ports, the batteries do lock in like that, just like it would in any other 18 ONE+ tool. So you don't have to worry about them coming loose. That's all I really got for you guys. Nice quick little video. The 6-port Super Charger from Ryobi. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. We'd be more than happy to get back to you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a blessed day. Until next time, see ya. Give you a little preview of the shop that's coming along. Got the workbench up. Got the pegboard going. Got a couple of Ryobi tools going up there. Still haven't finished it. Chainsaws down there. Batteries. What dry vac, that video is to come soon. I just put this up. This is going to be my battery charging station here, this shelf here. Got my pack out over here. Plug. Also going to be doing a review of the Ryobi speaker system. Awesome. I got this on clearance. A 2-pack, I think it was 28 bucks. Then I got 2 additional speakers for $18 a piece. Good little system if you're wondering about it. Works great.